Super hard to see if it's too dark, but we are going to the bus station to check the bus for tomorrow when we're going to Croatia. So it should leave at 7, so we're gonna double check that. Now it's really dark. And then grab some lunch before we go on the boat tour. So see you on the boat.
Hi.
Hi.
We would like to go to Split. Is it a bus tomorrow morning? Is it full? Tomorrow? Okay. Eller jag vet inte vad vi ska göra.
Looks like the bus tomorrow was full. So, and since it's just one bus going from here to Split per day, it looks like we're staying another night here. We're just sitting down at the water waiting for the boat tour to start. Just had a pizza for lunch and I put some, I think you say band-aid on my feet. You'll see how it looks. That's what happens when you're walking around a lot. Thank you.
Ja, paret här. Men jag bryr mig ju inte om jag blir blöt.
Inte?
Just one thing. Tell the captain for the camera.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
We are back on the ground after the boat trip. We visited a submarine tunnel, a place called Porto Montenegro, I think it was. Lady of the Rocks, which was an island made by a handmade island. And Old Town Perez or something. I remember it all with a little help from my sister. So now we're going to buy ice cream again because we can. And then back to the hostel. So Martina wanted me to try all of these making ice creams. So starting with caramel adventure.
Nej, den är mosad.
No. It's crushed. 4 out of 5 sharks.
Good.
I need 2 hands to eat ice cream, so see you tomorrow.